Sanibonani molweni, welcome to TVC Gauteng. Namhlanje sisendelwe usisi istory via voice notes. So ningamangali manivi voice ngazuthi ishintshile, we manipulated a voice for ukuthi abe anonymous. So usisi story sakhe is that she is seeing ubhuti kamngani wakhe. Mangithi seeing ngisho ukuthi bayalalana but they are not in a relationship, and umngani does not know ukuthi ubusy nobhuti wakhe. And kunesigaxa ke esinzima kabe senzakalayo kuningi bantwana basekhaya. So before I get into more details ngimoshe i-moment yale story, ngicela simameleni le voice notes. Alright, before singena ku VN namhlanje, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Remember ukuthi ukusubscribe is absolutely free. And we also have a membership. So if you need to become a member, you need to click on the button ebhalwe join. It's next to the button ebhalwe subscribe. So to become a member will only cost you 20 rands a month. And by becoming a member, you get to view exclusive content in Yona. And you also support the channel because this, guys, does not come cheap. So by 20 rands every month, but before ubhatala 20 rands every month, you will get to view itori lezi esinazo for our members only for 30 days. So you get a 30 days free trial of lezo itori lezo. So to become a member ke bantwana basekhaya, it's very nice because no mobukela ama video wakho angeke uzube interrupted ngama ads. You know, when you have to see ama ads and you have to continuously skip, mobukele ama videos ku membership, ubukela ama videos without ama interruptions or ama ads from start to finish. So ningakhohlwa ke ukuthi it's only 20 rands bantwana basekhaya. So let's get to the VN today.
Kamalami, nginodabeng nalo, and I'm hoping you guys are gonna help me find a solution to this problem of mine. So nginomngani engibe naye besazana from high school, yabo besifunde esikoleni esi-1 but different grades, yabo. And then look here, because of izinto esizithandayo ziyafana sagcina sesabangani, yabona, up until now. So she's no longer a friend nje, but I take her as my sister, yabo. So we have that relationship. Sharp, kunobhuti wakhe, mina masiba close naye nomngani wami ubhuti bangahlali around la sihlala khona. So umuntu sekathenga indlu not so far from home, and then almost every event enzwayo endlini khaba umngani usekhona, yabo. Like I liked him when I saw him, yabo, and I guess naye he felt the same way, yabo. Yeah, but ke umuntu onogazi, amantombazane akhuleka. So this one time uyangihambisa ungisekhaya, mafika vele sifika la endlini, we kissed sharp and then we exchanged numbers, yabo. So mina naye ke sekunomshikashika ophushekayo, yabo. Umjidi uyangilanda ngiyakwakhe, umjidi uyangirequestela ngiyakwakhe, but the friend akazi next, akanayo ne-idea, yabo. Masihlangana kuma-events wasekhaya khaba umngani wami, mina nomjida sabantwana bomuntu, yabo. Sixoxa siyahleka senzani, yabo. And naye akajampi ke umngani wami. Well, naye ubhuti ke unokusanda ustothi ubhuti, yabo. Makhona namanye amantombazane ambona uyafletha, yabo, fletha namantombazana, yabo. But nakhona angikhona ukusho next because I mean asilebulanga nento yethu, and yeah, so ibe yilo vibe leyo. So now I just recently found out ukuthi I am 3 months pregnant.
Hey.
And
okay, excuse guys, I have to pause, right? So there's a couple of things, right? Engidinga ukhomenta kuzo. The first one is ugel uyasho ukuthi she has a friend, right? And now ubusy nobhuti kamngani wakhe, and it has been hidden. So is this a thing? Like, is this a thing? Because I know, mina personally, with abantu that would be interested kubhutwami, I tell them zisasuka ukuthi it's a no-go area. As much as nami, I don't even look at his friends. Ngaleyo ndlela leyo, right? So if ugirl azokwazi ukwenza lento and it getting to a point where baze baba intimate, like, is it normal for you guys eniyenzayo if niyayenza, or if you know of someone oyenzayo mhlawumbe mani babuza, like, is it a thing? Is it a normal thing? Because for me it doesn't sound right, man, because as much as abangani, we have girl codes, right? And we know ukuthi there's a certain line you don't cross. So mozo crosser iline yakabhutwami, ngizokuthemba kanjani with iline yomuntu engazalwa naye okungaba ipartner yami? Am I being too judgmental? I don't know, but ngiyamjudge ugel, you know. Yes, but inhliziyo ayiphakelwa ithanda la ithanda khona. But honestly, guys, let's be honest. If you were in this situation, bozodila nayo kanjani already, because I have a brother, I wouldn't be okay with it. I don't even think ukuthi I'll continue being friends nomuntu omithela ubhuti wami, knowing very well ukuthi we are friends. Ngicela siqhubeke nge-VN.
Angisumuntu ongakhipha umntwana, angazi ngaba nomntwana, khana ngizoba nomntwana manje ngaye, and I don't know how to deal with this thing. Angicabangi ukusikhipha nje futhi nesisu, yabo. So manje ngile ikhanda, because now umama ngangibona njengomntanakhe, yabo. So manje sengizovela sengu-baby mama. And vele angisekho kuye umjida, because umjida vele hayiplayer, hayiboza lama-player. Recently there was an event, khaba mngani wami, umjida ucela inamba ku-sister lami. So she's on my type, but she had a thing with my sister, and I was like, no, I mean, we never even slept together. I was like, qamba lamanga, yabo. So yeah, that's the situation that I'm facing. I don't know how to tell my friend. I don't know if I should tell this guy with unspatisile.
Way.
Angazi ukuthi umama kamngani wami uzongibuka kanjani. Yeah, because there are times where ngavesana shiye nje sihlezi, yabona. So manje ngicabanga ukuthi zonke lezo zinto zizofika ukuthi hawu ngibashiya ngithi abantwana bomuntu, the next thing sekuvela le, yabo. So yeah, isimo sami ileso-ke.
All right. So khona la bengifuna ukuphoza khona, and then I realized ukuthi istory ngathi sesiyaphela, right? So ugirl has mentioned a couple of things. Now it also involves umama womfana, because uyamazi obviously umngani nomntana kaloyo mama. And njoba mentionile ukuthi umama bekanokubashiya endlini, and umama would probably thought ukuthi abantwana bomuntu, they won't do anything. Kanti babhize emasayidini bayenza into snacks. And I'm saying into snacks, guys, I know it's nature, izinto zimani ukwenza, but where do you draw the line? I'm going to ask that again. And ugirl, as much as asho ukuthi akazi ukuthi ayenzeni, because now pregnant 3 months pregnant, akazi ifatshela umfana na, akazi umama umfana ukuthi uzombheka kanjani. So all along they never thought of consequences to their actions, or of their actions rather. Obviously doing what they did, it was obviously because bekuyinkanuko bebafunana, and they did whatever they did. Ulale nomfana azi ukuthi umfana uyiplayer, njoba asho ukuthi makunama events, you know, kubo ubrother flirts with amantombazana, ngapha ufune inamba kasiswakhe, and even lied to usiswakhe ukuthi no, we haven't even slept together, we just kissed, that's it, you know. So hey, there's a lot, man. Ugirl yena ngam blamer to a certain extent, because ungene number one, go guy as ukuthi uguy is a player. Number two, she knew ukuthi chances are uzoba pregnant, clearly bebangasebenzisi protection, and the fact that mabaqeda ukulala probably realizing ukuthi man sekwenzakala ingozi, azangathatha ama morning after pills. And now she's saying akazibona akhipha umntwana akhipha isisu because this is the first child azoba naye and akazi if amtshele na ubaba umntana. So I understand ukuthi ngenxa yento eyi1, you know, inyama guys, inyama yenzisana amanyala kodwa nayo. Ngenxa yenyama she didn't think ukuthi hey man izazifike to this point, because now say involve abantu abaningi man, it involves a lot of parties, it involves umngani wakhe, it involves umama womngani wakhe, it involves no mntwana manje who is unborn, umfana ngeke ngimbale because they were doing this together. So now sekumele akhulume, akazi ukuthi atshele umfana or angamtsheli. Please share your comments guys ukuthi into so ithi one, what must the girl do? But kukho konke, because they knew what they were doing, ama adults labantu laba. Mina I'm saying she must tell ubrother ukuthi pregnant. I don't know if izisu zisahanjiswa manje, I'm not sure. Rather aphike isisu sihanjisiwe if you know khabogel bayasihambisa isisu. Yes kuzoba buhlungu kumama womfana mhlawumbe makathola ukuthi bebayenzani, but sekwenzakele guys, the damage has been done, and it's said ukuthi now an innocent soul izoze emhlabeni under such circumstances, you know. Yo yazi yabanzima, yiko ngisho ukuthi inyama yenzisana amanyala guys, like things we do, you know, because of inyama, and we don't think ukuthi there's a lot esizo suffer from zona, you know, or esizozibhadalela. Hey, because yeah, for every action guys there's a consequence. So ngicela ni advise usisi ukuthi yenze njani guys, because mina iyangikhathaza shemle ngoba asidili ngabantwana la, sidila ngabantu abadala abaziyo ukuthi benzani. But mina kukho konke shem mntasekhaya, I'm not judging you, but I'm just saying tell ubaba umntwana the truth ukuthi you are pregnant. Should isisu siphikwe, it's fine, sizophikwa wena ulazi iqiniso. Mntana masekavelile, if kumele kenziwe ama paternity test, it's fine, go that route. And if mhlambe kunezinto ekumele zenziwe from khabo baba umntana, because ezinye izinto kunesinto esenziwayo and asizicabanga lezo zinto lezo, umntana yenzelwe into ezi-right, you know, just for umntana nje makwenziwe into ezi-right. But yeah, his story ke esiniphathele sona abantwana basekhaya. So if you have a story to share and you can't make it to our set ukuthi sizoku-interviewer, kindly share your story via voice note kule number le uscreen. Or don't forget ke bantwana basekhaya ukuthi ujoine for membership for only 20 rand a month. Ngakhohlwa you get 30 days free trial and you get to watch izitori zethu without ama interruptions or ama ads.